everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial on fine thin hair like mine. So I always love these kind of like half up styles where they put a little elastic in and the hair flows out the top. It looks really cute. I try it on mine and there's just not enough hair. So I'm going to show you a technique today using elastics. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you've tried it. I think it's going to give us that little bit more fullness that we're after. So let's get started. So I'm just starting off, guys, as always, leaving out my bits at the front. It's like my comfort blanket. I don't know why I have to do it. It's because I feel like it kind of fills these areas in. So I'm only going to be working with this hair here, which for me is not a lot of hair at all, which is half the problem with these half up styles for me. So I'm going to help myself out by using a little sort of volume in powder. You could use dry shampoo as well. I'm just going to kind of go in there. I'm also using a little bit of like clay spray, which again is a little bit like a dry shampoo, just to kind of help with volume and grip of the hair really. So I'm going to start this style, guys, by zigzagging the hair up. I'm going to do one side first, then the other side. Now I want to leave out enough hair so it covers my ear. I don't want to go like that with it. But that's up to you. So it's trying to get as much hair into this ponytail as you can, but leaving enough hair just to cover that ear. So I'm going to go kind of like there-ish with it. So that is my section, and I will just kind of spray this bit down a little bit just so it's not quite as fluffy, and you're going to pop an elastic in there. You're then going to create a little hole. Make sure there is a real hole there as well, otherwise you can get a bit tangled. And you're going to flip the ponytail forward towards the face and then just kind of bring it back through that hole. Like so. And then I'm just going to tighten that up a little bit. And then I can just go in, guys, and just create a little bit of volume from the front. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. So again, that kind of zigzaggy motion, leaving enough hair out to cover those ears again, but trying to gather as much hair as you can at the same time. I know that's tricky. And you're going to pop another elastic in. And again, guys, you're going to make a little hole, flip it forwards, and straight through that hole. Tighten it up, and then again just creating a little bit of volume because I kind of want this to look nice and full. Next, I'm going to take these two ponytails, join them together, and this time you're going to flip the other way. So that hole, the ponytail is going to come this way, feed it through. And next, guys, I'm just going to go in with my comb and give this hair a bit of back comb, but just kind of underneath the pony. And I'm also just going to go in on these side bits that's really, really fine and just give them just a little bit of a back comb as well, and then just kind of smooth that down just to make sure that I can't see any ear. And there we go, guys. So you've just created a much softer looking top part there. And I do feel like it gives the impression that there's a lot more hair there than what we actually got, which I love. And you can just kind of have a play around with where you want that pony to sit. So there you go, guys. What do you think of this style? Do you think it looks really cute? Do you not like it? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.